People, come closer. So, uno no see say me go on date. Hey, why yo, good girl, I step out. Right through. So, come at me go on the sauce. Hey. So, uno don't know, say, after my court date, yeah, I stress out and all these things because in the morning, I not even did eat because the way on my belly are bubble like a chicken gravy and bathroom just a call me name. I never eat nothing, yeah. So after my court hearing, you know, say girl, well hungry, yeah, the worm them a call the belly a bubble and all of these things. So I say, you know what? I'm not in the mood to go home go cook. So me, I go find myself a restaurant, sit down, relax myself, breathe, eat a nice little meal, and then go home, go sleep because girl tired. So, me decide say, yeah, me I got one nice little, you know, restaurant, very affordable and all these things. Sit down, yeah, and I have my meal. Now, the owner for the restaurant was there. And I noticed the man just a look for me and I look for me and I look for me. But I not take it for nothing. You understand what I try to say? Anyway, he come over to me and start talk to me, ask me how is the meal and all these things. No, this is not the first time I've ate at this restaurant. You understand me? And when he's there, I notice that he always go over to him, you know, client them and ask them how is the meal, whatever. So him coming over to me, ask me how is the meal and stuff like that. I'm not take it for nothing. You understand? Cause me already see him do that already. So me did be polite and have a polite conversation, tell him everything is good, whatever. So him asked me if I want to try some ice cream that he just got and it's locally produced, and he might tell me all these great thing about this ice cream. But I tell him say no, sorry, I can't try this ice cream at this time because I am on a diet, yeah. And based on my calorie intake finish for the day. You understand me? I have to go get up a morning to go run and all these things. So I'm say run. So I say yeah, I'm very active. You understand? Very into sports. You understand? Me run, yeah, me walk and all these things. So I say yeah, he's into sports as well, but he plays golf. So I say really, you play golf? I say you know how long I want to learn how to play golf, but where I'm from, I couldn't afford it at the time. So I something I never get around to learn to do. So I say, really? You want to learn to play golf? So I say, yes, I would really love to play golf. So I turn to me and say, okay, no problem. I will schedule an appointment with my trainer to teach you golf and introduce you to the sports. So I say, what? So I look at him and I say, so what do I have to do for this, you know, generosity? So I'm smiling and him said, nothing. You want to learn, so I'll schedule you in so that you can get a training, yeah, and an introduction to it. Don't worry about it. Everything is covered. So me I look at him and me I smile. But they don't know, say, all 32 teeth start show. You understand me? The zip line and train tracks them for my teeth start show because girl get excited, yeah? So him look for me and him turn to me and him say, don't worry. You understand me? It will be good. And him start give me a little rundown about, you know, what golf is like and all these things while we were there talking. You understand me? Give me him like a rundown. So him turn to me and him say, how would you feel about going to have a drink with me differently otherwise from golf? People, you know, say all the man, the way my brain slow, you know. All the man did they tell me about golf, you know, me still not realize say I like him like me until him said that out time out. Until him said that out time out, he start clicking on my head. Ding, 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 ding. I like the man like you fool. You idiot, wake up, girl. You understand me? Me just think say the man did have been nice to me. Just like how he be nice to everybody when me go to the restaurant and see. So me never really did take it for nothing. So me I say, okay, well that can be arranged, yeah, because I'm single, so yeah, that can be arranged. So him say, oh cool. So they give him a number and him say call me another week, and you know when he's off, and he will make an arrangement for us to go and have a drink or do something together and stuff like that, and I shouldn't worry about the golf. Yeah, he got me. So I'm like, okay, you don't know, girl, excited. Yeah, like what I say, all of the train tracks them for my teeth start chewing on me. Happy. So guys, anyway, Unfortunately, when he called me and asked me for dinner, at that time when he called, I was busy. Yeah, me have a whole heap of run up and down I do, so I couldn't go. But anyway, the Friday he messaged me and he said to me, say, the golf teacher, you know, cannot pencil me in for that weekend because he's busy and stuff like that. So through me did feel bad already, so me did turn down in dinner date because him asked me for dinner date and I couldn't go. And now he messaged me and tell me, say, yeah, the golf lesson not really available or whatever. I feel bad, so I said to him, so let's say, why don't you teach me golf, or why don't you do the introduction then until your professor is available to pencil me in? So I'm like, oh, why didn't I think of that before? So I'm saying, oh, sure, I can give you the introduction, and yes, I'm definitely going to pencil you in for you to have your golf lessons, so don't worry about that as well. So guys, I don't know, say a last minute thing, so I couldn't go shopping because it's on a Monday, and on a Monday when it happened, all stores is locked because it's a public holiday in France called Bastille holiday. So every store closed. So I don't know, say girl couldn't get nothing for wear. So I don't want to see how me I dig up my closet to find something to put together. So me couldn't find nothing to put together while look, you know, gold chic. You understand what I'm trying to say? Because me no want to go to the country club and go look like riff raff and look like me not come from nowhere and look like me, you know, a hard and pull like, you know, like me not grow up good. Yeah. So anyway, I grab everything I could have find and I create a little outfit. Yeah, when I say the outfit, yeah, it don't look tree bad. No, I'm gonna go, I'm have a wonderful time. And I like, me have to go get a couple more golf lessons because I wasn't that good at it. About 3 times out of the whole time today, the ball went into the hole. Yeah, 3 times. Every time it just a miss. I don't know why. My aim not good, or maybe I'm just nervous because I've not been on a date for a long while. So maybe I the nerves, maybe I every little thing. Yeah, I will see how it work out with the professor. You understand me, rather than him, because maybe with the professor, more, you know, more relaxed. But like what I say, first date jitters and all these things, yeah, the ball did I miss the hole. And the man did a laugh after me right through. Me did all a laugh after myself right through. If you don't watch the golf video, to the end, I would see how big foolishness me did I do. But anyway, he was a great teacher, very patient and all these things. So guys, after, you know, the golf lessons and all these things, him say, why don't we go to dinner? I'll drop you at home and you'll get ready and, you know, freshen up, and I'll pick you up back and we will go to dinner and we will have dinner. So me are like, oh, it look like my man like me. Yeah, it look like him like me. Think big things are going for me. Oh my God, so guys, I don't know, so I come home and get ready quick. I couldn't take no videos now, not when I get ready. And that's what I try to, because I have to do it fast. So I just get ready fast. I don't know, say, yeah, girl, look good, girl, hot, girl, sexy. I'm just gonna say, whoop, and then come pick me up. I mean, we had a great night, great dinner, great conversation. Everything goes, you know, nice and all these things. Yeah, but I'm feeling not in. As time goes by, and I don't know, so me always come talk my business. Me couldn't know what I go on the 411. Yeah, but I'm not lie. Yeah, a first date in a long while. Yeah, it was good. Good experience. Big up me. Yeah. Peace out. Bye.